Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive business management system. In this video, we'll guide you through the accounting function, specifically the sales order analysis tool in Accounts Receivable. Let's get started. Once you log into Parsimony, navigate to the Accounting module by clicking on the Accounting option in the top menu. Here, you'll find various accounting features to manage your finances effectively. To access the Accounts Receivable tool, click on the Accounts Receivable tab. This feature allows you to manage your company's outstanding invoices, customer payments, and overall accounts receivable. Now, let's explore the Sales Order Analysis tool. Click on the Sales Order Analysis tab to analyze your sales orders on an item level. On the Sales Order Analysis page, you can apply filters and sorting options to find specific sales orders. These filters include date range, item name, customer, and more, allowing you to refine your search. Here, you can see a table displaying the analysis of your sales orders. The columns include the item name, quantity ordered, quantity delivered, pending quantity, and more. To view the details of a specific item's sales orders, click on the View button next to the item. In the detailed view, you can see a breakdown of sales orders for the selected item. It includes the customer name, quantity ordered, quantity delivered, and the pending quantity. By utilizing the Sales Order Analysis tool, you can analyze your sales orders on an item level, track order fulfillment, and ensure efficient inventory management. To generate a sales order report for a specific item, click on the Print button next to the item. The sales order report provides a comprehensive overview of the item's sales orders, including the quantity ordered, quantity delivered, and pending quantity. You can easily print or save this report for further analysis. By analyzing the sales order analysis, you can identify popular items, monitor order fulfillment, and make informed decisions to optimize your business operations. That concludes our brief tutorial on the Parsimony accounting function, specifically the Sales Order Analysis tool in Accounts Receivable. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, Parsimony provides a comprehensive suite of features to streamline your business operations.